What's up everybody, Tweets here. In this video, I am going to show you how to retexture RedFalcon's helicopters. So, first thing, I'm going to say thank you to RedFalcon for giving me the okay to do this video. I've had a couple comments and questions asking if anyone knew how to retexture RedFalcon helis, so I reached out to him, asked if I'd make the video, and he gave me the go ahead. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join his Discord, which I will have linked below in the description. And then when you join, you can just scroll through. You'll see flight system, look for the flight system section, and then you can click on tutorials, and you'll see a bunch of pictures of stuff. But then you'll want to go to his GitHub. So I'm going to scroll up here. And then you just want to look for anything that says config files. We got some other tutorials on how to install or how to configure your helicopters he's got. But then you just want to keep scrolling until you find his I will have his GitHub linked, though, as well in the description, so you can get to it quicker. So you just click on the GitHub link. Now, once you're on the GitHub link, go to tutorials, and then retexturing. So you'll see how he's done all the helicopters there. So you just click on the main RedFalcon flight system helis code and download the zip. Once you have the zip downloaded, you'll unzip it, open it up. Now inside, you'll see he provides pretty much everything you'll need. So once you get in there, you just go to tutorials, retexturing, whatever helicopter you want to retexture. So I want to do the little bird. In there, you're going to see he's got the name plus underscore your texture name. This is what you're going to want. He also provides a text file with a little bit of instructions, and then a template. So really all you need to do is take the one out that says your texture name. You'll see that inside there has data, scripts, config, and then a texture. Now you'll see just one texture on the little bird one. This one here is one that I just did for the video. So you're going to take that folder out, copy it, Control C, bring it to your P drive. Now where it says your texture name, you're going to rename it and give it whatever your name is for it. Now inside there, you're going to do the same thing where anything that says your texture name. So first you're going to do your file path. So open up the config and then just change these sections here that have your texture name on it, just like that, and then that, and then that's it. Don't touch this part here. Only change in anything that says your texture name. So you could do stuff like that. That's all you're gonna need to change. And then make sure for the texture path you have your texture, just like that, and then save it. Now this is what the original looks like if you open it up in GIMP. So this is the original texture, so you can do whatever you want. For me, I just slapped a little design on it, and just to see it work and everything. And that's pretty much all I did. But you can do whatever you want to it. And then you just save it. And save it. When you save it, give it a different name. So where he put your texture name, so if, say, I exported it, I would just change your texture name to whatever you want, and then export it. And then that's that. And then once you have that done, I'm gonna delete it out of here because I only had that for the video. But once you have your texture done, you got your config file all set up, path to your new texture. Don't worry about the materials. And anywhere that said your texture name, you changed it. So for the CFG mods, obviously, it's your actual folder in your P drive that you named. Just like that. Now, once we have that done, you're going to remember your class name here for a minute. You're going to open up the scripts folder for world, and then you're going to change this to your class name. So get your class name, rename that, just like that. Now open it, and then you're going to change this to that, to your class name, and then you are also going to use rec. So you're just done to do that. Just like that. So that's pretty much all you need to change. Anything that says your texture name. So whatever your texture name, just put sample and make sure it matches your class names. And then save it. And then once you are done all of that, you pack it and you test it. Okay, so now that we are in game, now we're going to load our helicopter in. So let's bring up our tools and let's search sample. I'm going to go sample, and I'm going to spawn it in on the crosshair. Boom. And now you'll see that it is fully retextured. Now, let me just hit K with my admin tool so it's all full and everything so we can test it. So now we'll get in, turn it on. It's going to get loud here, guys. I don't have earmuffs. Now, as you can see, it works. So everything's working. It is now fully retextured. And then that is it. That is how you retexture RedFalcon helicopters. So pretty much when you're done and you want to do another one, it's the same step. So just go into your folder from the GitHub, go to tutorials, retexturing, and then pick your next one. So say I want to do the Chinook. There you go. Just copy that one, put it in your P drive, change your texture name to whatever, and then there you go. You just do the same steps that I did for the little bird, just changing your texture name to whatever. And the same on the config. Everything that just says your texture name, change it to what you're calling it. And then the scripts. Same thing that I did with the little bird. And then that's it. And then you pack it and test it. Now, I think it's easier just doing everything packed all together. One by one, made separate. So have them separate folders in your P drive. And then pack them into their own separate PBOs. So like the little bird PBO, and then a CH47 PBO. And then you can put them all together in one server mod. So that part's it's just easy. I think it's just gonna be easier doing it this way. And then yeah, like I said, you can put all the PBOs in your add-ons folder in your server mod and publish your server mod that way. I also have a video on how to make a server mod, so you can check that out. I'll link that below if you need it. Like I said, the link in the description for RedFalcon's Discord will be below, as well as link to the GitHub where to find the files for the retexturing. And just again, special thanks to RedFalcon for giving me the okay to do this. And if you have any questions, the link to my Discord will be below as well. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.